PhotoCon is going to be happening in Oklahoma City, October 31st through November 2nd. That's 3 days of a massive, interactive trade show. It's the largest photo trade show in the area. There's tons of hands-on demos of gear so you can try out that new lens or camera that you're interested in buying or whatever. There's professional models to shoot on hand. There's all kinds of networking opportunities, interactive learning environment. It's pretty cool. There are 21 different speakers that are going to be giving talks about all aspects of photography and video. To kick things off, I'll be hosting an event where we're going to have a bunch of skateboarders jumping over a Ford F-150 pickup truck. Not to be missed, let me tell you. There's not one, but 2 Sony artisans are going to be speaking at this. Myself and my buddy Garrett Baird. He is a Lightroom master, so you can come and learn how to shoot action from me and then learn how to do something with the pictures from him. Go to PhotoconOKC.com for more information. By the way, this whole thing, $99 for the whole weekend. 3 days, $99, 21 speakers. Not to be missed. Thanks so much for watching. See you there.